In today's video, I'm going to teach you a simple guide to adding fonts in Canva. Whether you're sprucing up a design for personal use or working on a professional project, having the right font can make all the difference. So let's get started on how you can easily add your own fonts to Canva. First, make sure you're logged into your Canva account. Once you're in, open an existing design or create a new one. This will serve as your workspace where you can test and see your new font in action. Now locate the text you want to change, click on it to select the text box. This selection is crucial because it tells Canva where you want the font change to occur. After selecting your text, look at the toolbar above your design workspace. You'll see the current font name displayed there. Click on this font name and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu is your gateway to custom font options, and it provides a list of all the fonts currently available in Canva. However, our goal is to upload a new font, so let's move to the next step. From the drop-down menu, go ahead and look for the option that says Upload a Font. This is typically located at the bottom of your font options list. Click on it, and Canva will prompt you to select a font file from your computer. Make sure you have your desired font file ready to go. Canva supports font files in OTF, TTF or WAF formats, so ensure your file is one of these types. Once you've selected your file, click Open and Canva will start uploading it. Be sure your font is licensed for use, particularly for commercial purposes if that's your intent. After the upload is complete, you'll have the choice to apply this font to your current design or store it for later use. Something to keep in mind is that not all Canva accounts can upload custom fonts. This feature is generally available to Canva Pro, Canva for Enterprise, Canva for Education, and Canva for non-profit accounts. If you're on a free account, this might be the time to consider an upgrade to unlock this feature. Now once your font is uploaded, you can easily select it by clicking on the text box and choosing your new font from the list of available options. This personalization can truly enhance your designs, making them stand out precisely how you envision. That brings us to the end of this tutorial on adding fonts in Canva. By following these steps, you can customize your designs even further, bringing a unique flair to whatever project you're working on. Thanks for watching and happy designing.